Hi, in this tutorial, we will see how we can take a mesh and decide its width and length and height parametrically. Same way like when you have a primitive and you can see these parameters here. In a mesh, you don't have these parameters. So the way to do that, select the object, go to Edit, and click this tool here, Transform Toolbox. Now, here, if you click this, you can see here that we have the size, we have uh, the width, and we have the length, and we have the height. Now, if I want to change the width, I can click on the X. You can type a value here and click set size. Now, before you have this option here that if you like, if you click it, you can bring the X value here to the spinner, but it's not necessary to change the value. Now, it's 527.501, so I want to make it, let's say, 560. And then click set size, and as you can see, for the Y, I will click Y. I will make it 180 centimeter. Set size. For the height, it's 110. I will make it 140. Now, to make sure that this is correct, I will create a box and using snap. If you look at the parameters here, you can see the length is 180. The width is 560, and the height is 140. Also, if you click all, you can set one value for the three axes. Let's say I will make them 150. Set size. Sorry, I need to select. Okay, set size. So and you can see the three values are the same. I will undo this. Now you notice that the size is changing starting from the pivot point, which is here. So let's say I want to change the size, but I don't want this part to go down. So what I can do here, make sure it's minimum here and press the Z. So the pivot, if you look in the front view, the pivot now it's here. It is sitting at the bottom. So now if I change the Z, for example, make it to 180, you can see that it goes up, and this stays in its place. Um, if I want to have this corner here fixed and the change starts from here in all directions, I can here in the x-axis, I will click min, make sure it's minimum. So it will go to the farthest point on the left. Also on the Y, I can also click Y minimum. So now when I change, for example, the width, make it 600, for example. The length, make it 220. Now, the benefit of clicking and bringing the value to the spinner is that you can do some tricks to change these values quickly. For example, if I wanted to increase the value of this by, let's say, 45, I can double click to select everything, type R 45, for example. So the number now is increased by 45, and then I can click set size. If I change my mind, or let's say I want to reduce it, I can double click and say R minus 15. So now it's 250. So things like that. And basically that's it for this tutorial. Hope you like it. If you do, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.